Hmm. Hello. Um, I think we are live. Okay. Hello. Yeah, my voice is coming out. Oh, what's up, Sicarius? I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. Yeah, sure. Tell me. Uh, it isn't really a secret, but guess what? Okay, go on, go on. Hmm? Okay. What? That doesn't make sense. That doesn't make sense, man. Wait. Oh, wait, that makes sense actually. Actually, that makes sense. Never mind, I'm overthinking it. I guess that's good for you. Crap. Uh, let's learn C++. plus plus. Or you wanna play a Roblox game? Your live chat is very slow. I guess. Um, I don't know. I haven't streamed in a while. Femboys are great, man. Okay, I guess that's your opinion. Okay, okay. IO stream. Oh, this is very easy. Have you done programming before? Uh, Sikar, I stay with you until 10 people join. Yo, crazy. Damn, that's really respectful, honestly. There are like three people watching. That's good. Um, okay. Oh, basically, an IO stream is just an input and output library of the of C++. plus plus. So let's read it out all together. So basically, in this lesson, we'll talk about std okay, which we used in our Hello World program to output. Oh, actually, I'm actually a bit far from here. Like, I have already done the introduction stuff. So I'm right now at IO streams and all the variable stuff I have seen already. LearnCpp.com is actually a really good site for learning C++. plus plus. It talks about the computer science background of how each of the code work. Yeah. So the IO stream library. So the input output library is part of the C++ plus plus standard library that deals with basic input and output. We'll use the functionality in this library to get input from the keyboard and output data to the console. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. IO part of IO stream stands for, yeah, I already knew that. Okay. To use the functionality defined with IOStream library, we need to include the IOStream header at the top of any code file that uses the content defined as IOStream, like so. Oh, yeah, this is the library. Whenever you open a project, you always see like never mind. For me, it's not here. So actually, let me add an item like a CPP file. Yeah, I'm using VS 2022 as my code editor. Yeah, I'm Loki just put you on my laptop till stream ends so you can get your bread out. Thank you, man. Thank you so much. Uh, okay, so this is the IO stream. I'm genuinely too stupid. I can't remember the thing you gave seconds after you say. Uh, it's fine. I can repeat it for you. Like, what specific part you didn't know though? Like, oh, thanks. That really helps though. Yeah. Okay. So STD out. Yeah. Basically, STD out is basically the print function. In Lua is all right. I'm genuinely too retarded. Nah, nah, nah. You're fine. You're fine. Alright, okay, which allows us to send data to console printed as text. Okay, cout stands for character output. Oh, oh, that actually makes sense. Character output. So yeah, a string is basically a group of characters itself. Yeah, yeah, like okay, that's why it's called a character output for sure. Hmm. In this program, we have included IO streams. Okay, inside our main function, we use std. Yeah, insertion operator. Okay, that's called the insertion operator. Hmm. Uh, hello world to the console to be printed. Okay. Um, yeah, that's simple. You can print four for this. This one, five. Yeah, this is actually more skippable because it's just printing. Oh yeah. By the way, you should start doing like tutorials on how to make games, like different playlists. Uh, I don't know. I don't feel like going to Roblox right now because you know that Roblox is now getting so fucked up these days. These shitty updates. Now they have something with Morpheus AI. I don't get it why they're still doing it. They're not keeping their foundation. They're like removing that foundation that built Roblox. Like, it's genuinely frustrating. Like, I really want to do those tutorials actually, but I cannot do everything at single time because I was making a game on Roblox too. But now, if this platform is treating us really badly, why should we use it? If you remove the foundation, the building will collapse. Exactly. That's what's happening to Roblox now. You know, there was a Roblox trailer where David Baszucki was talking about how they're fascinated about how kids made games. But now they're just removing that completely. Like, it's butchered. Anyways, yeah. So int x brackets 5. Oh yeah, there's a thing called initialization in C++. Whenever it's basically when you're defining a variable for the first time. So like there are like different types of ways you can do it. So let me make a main function. Good night, Shadow. Shadow, my eyes freaking burning. Oh, definitely you need to sleep, man. Go have a good sleep, man. You don't have to be awake. Yeah. All right. Bye. So okay, so basically there are like I think different types of initialization. One is this one. I think this one is called which one is it? I think it was which type of initialization? I think it wasn't value initialization. I think it was called copy initialization. Yeah, copy initialization. Then we have, I think this was parentheses. I think this was more of a traditional C++ thing. Uh, oh yeah, I have to change this also. Properties. Oh, uh, language. Yeah, I don't want this. I'll go plus 20. C++ 20. Okay, this one is also like direct initialization, but from I think it is traditional C++. Like, I think this was traditional C++ thing, and this one, I think this one is a more modern one. I think C4. Um, yeah, this one is direct initialization, the modern version. The modern version, modern C++. This one is just initialization. Okay, value initialization. Yeah, this is also modern C++. Okay, so basically, oh yeah, when you, for example, I'll just make this a decimal value. If I make this a decimal value, I don't get any warnings regarding that, and it just compiles. Oh wait, I need to put an std cout a return 0. Yep, yep. Now we can try. Hmm. Yeah. As you can see, we actually tried to get a float value out of it, but it's just a value 5 instead because it's just an integer. If we did it float, then it would show it as a 5.5. So if you want to catch this at a compiler level, because when you just use an equal sign, the compiler doesn't catch it. So if actually I'll just keep it like that. Just do this. Hmm. So if it's 4.5, see, there's an error coming. Identifier A is undefined. So basically now we have an error. Oh wait, so first I'll just do this. Yeah, yeah. We can see, conversion from double to int requires a narrowing. See, that's the issue. So if I make this double, I can compile this program 4.5. Yeah. Or I can just make this float. Yeah, 4.5. So that's initializing. So that's the only difference between direct initialize. Why did I say direction? Yeah. Direct initialization. Uh, so I think this is value initialization. It just initializes the variable from like empty. I think it's basically same like this. I'm just recalling things right now. So I never tried this one before, honestly. I'll just try this traditional C++ way of parentheses. Okay, it's 2. If I do 2.5, would I get an error? Oh, perhaps perhaps it doesn't catch from compiler. So that's why it's much more recommended to use this. So this is the modern C++ version. Even I don't fully understand most of these, but I know from a compiler level what works. So I think mostly whenever you're initializing a variable, you should uh, you should mostly default to this. So, but if you're assigning the same variable, you have to use equal here. You have no choice but to do that. Um, oh wait, if I did 6.5 like this, what would happen? Um, oh yeah, it's just an integer, so it won't say anything. I mean, it would be interesting to see trying to change an integer, something related. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Yup. These are the stuff I know. Okay. To print more than one line. Yeah, this is also I know about. Yeah. I think I don't really need to learn this because I know this before because I tried learning C++ before. So like I think it was like 4 years ago. I just did some very basic programs. You know those average mean types of stuff like those basic programs of a calculator and all. Yeah, buffered. Oh, interesting. So an above program STD isn't technically necessary since the program ends immediately afterward. However, it serves a few useful purposes. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, first complete thought. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's like a full storm. Okay, yeah, basically end line acts like a period. Okay, that's simple of output a new line whenever a line of output is complete. Okay, that's pretty basic advice. I think I can skip this all. I don't really need this. It's all redundant. Okay, uninitialized variables and undefined behavior. Yeah, this is gonna be useful for me for sure. Like because I learned initialization. Okay, uninitialized variables. I think I should add some music. Uh, I don't really want to show my screen though, so like I don't want to show my recommendation. So I'm just gonna put some lo-fi music. That's gonna be really chill. That's gonna be really good. So lo-fi, no copyright. I think there was this channel called The Relaxed Moment. You should all watch it because it's really, really good streams. Like it's just so nice just to hear those music. Yeah. DMCA free, copyright free. Yeah, good. All right. It's too loud. Right. Unlike some programming languages, C++ does not give in value. When a variable that is not initialized is given a memory address to use to store data, the default value of the variable is whatever garbage value happens to already be in that memory. Yeah, I actually didn't thought of it. I was thinking mid thought. Fuck. Hmm. Hmm. Wait. Oh wait, my stream is not being shown. I forgot. That's so sad. Wait. Uh, yes. Hmm. Sorry, stream. Yeah. There are like 7 people online. Wait. Again, 7 people. Yes. Interesting. Uh, Okay. Memory given a memory address to use store data. The default value of the variable is whatever garbage value is already in that memory address. A variable that has not been given a known value through initialization or assignment is called an uninitialized variable. Oh, okay. So variable memory addresses stored into the into the memory. So that means whether it's being without initializing or assigning the variable. Okay. Norm culture. I don't understand this word. Norm culture. Meaning refers to a system or set of rules naming things, I guess. Hmm. But the okay, okay, uh, uh, okay. Uninitialized means it's not. It's like it. It's not a known value, but its memory is allocated. Okay, the memory is so the variable is stored. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Okay. Through means including assignment. Okay, therefore, an object that is not initialized but is then assigned a value is no longer uninitialized because it has been given a known value. Okay, initialized equal the object is given a known value at the point of definition. Okay, assignment is given a known value beyond the point of the definition. Okay, basically already initialized value. Uninitialized has no. Okay. Yeah. Oh yeah. This is a default initialized value. Okay. Um. So the object has not been given a known value, not the process. Okay. Hmm. As an aside, hmm, the lack of initialization is a performance optimization inherited from C. Oh, okay. C was in C, this was the issue. Okay, back when computers were slow, imagine a case where you were going to read in 100,000 values from a file. In such case, you might create 100,000 videos. Oh, okay. Then fill them with data from the value. mm, I mean, from the file. Um, press press initialize. Okay, upon creation, this will result in 100,000 images. and for little benefits since you're overwriting those values anyway. Okay. Uh, for now, you should always so is means compared to benefit. Hmm. Okay, yeah, that kind of makes sense. Once you're more comfortable with the language, there may be certain cases where fuck, okay, there may be certain cases where you omit the initialization for optimization purposes. Okay, but this should always be selectively and intentionally. Hmm. Okay. I mean, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so that I won't have those issues, like, so that the compiler can flag the variable. I think the flag any issues. Oh yeah, if I'm gonna put this phone, hmm, well, yeah. Hmm. The C++ initialized all of those variables with default values of operation. No, no, not this one. Yeah. Using the values of uninitialized variables can lead to unexpected results. Okay. Uninitialized variable. Who knows what we'll get because X is uninitialized. Okay. Yep. So let me try this once. How the compiler would react. A result. D. Hmm. Yep. Okay, this is an error, basically. Yeah. Uninitialized local variable. So yeah, I can go in detail with this. Okay. B is an in-out argument. Do do do. Okay, character traits. Yeah, that's kind of interesting. Really interesting. Yeah. Yeah. That makes sense. Okay, yeah. In this case, the computer will assign some unused memory to X. Yes, yes. Yeah, this is the B is being assigned to a in in the in an unused memory. Okay. Will then send the value residing in that memory location. Mhm. Interpreted as an integer. I hope my stream is working properly. Hmm. Okay. What value will it print? The answer is who knows. Okay, and the answer may be yes. Okay, I'll try compiling this. Yes. Oh, it's using the O value. Wait, I'll just save this. It's showing it as 6 for some reason. What? Oh. Hmm. Okay. Warning. Some contents of memory to suppress. Use some preset when you are. Let me try this. Yep. It's not happening. Hmm. Okay. For example, if you run, yeah, I'll just put the score here. Yeah, it's basically the same thing. Yeah, it's showing it as 6. Yeah, okay. Okay. Hmm. It's being used. Hmm? Yeah, that's true. Compiling the above program. Yeah, same exact error. C4700. Yeah, yeah. If you compile, I want to let you compile and run the above program. Error. Here is a possible solution. Okay, so basically in C++, your compiler is your biggest friend here. Okay. Even the warnings are really necessary. It's just an unused memory here. Okay. So interesting, man. The C++ is more interesting than Lua. In Lua, it's so much abstracted, like Luo, I mean. In Luo, it's so much abstracted to like it just hides everything in the VM so that exploiters cannot uh like ex- don't do anything in the runtime to run some exploits in when they're executing low code. But C++, you don't have to really worry about it because it's not being you're not I think sending a game on a platform or anything. So yeah, I guess. But the consequence is that you don't really know what's going on inside what the compiler is seeing and stuff. No, 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 no. I'm mixing stuff here. Okay, never mind. Are people even joining? I kind of doubt that because the chat, because I'm not seeing anyone in the chat. I guess just a simple hi would be funny. Okay, four people are watching. Okay. Mm, okay. Okay, this is a function. This is just an empty function. Oh, this is a reference. Uh, Make the compiler think we are assigning a value to this variable. Boom. Okay, and wait, what happens if I do this instead? It's still the same thing. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. More. Okay. One of the most challenging to debug may run fine. Okay. Uh, Happened to be to get assigned to a spot of memory that had a reasonable value, like zero. Mm, Always initialize your variables is the best practice. I love non-CPP. Undefined behavior. Yeah, this is gonna be much more important. I think this is where more logical errors happen. Okay, let me first read this out. Okay. Hmm. Undefined behavior. Okay, it's not executed properly, like not using the proper C++ language standards, like not following the C++ language standards. I think that's okay. Wait. Uh, doesn't have any rules determining what happens if you use the value of a variable that has not been given a known value. Yeah. Every time it is run. Okay. Same incorrect result. Okay. Program produces different results every time it is run. No. Produces the same incorrect. Yeah. Memory issues. Hmm. Okay. Oh yeah. The time. I mean, was it day? Okay, it's six. Yeah. Like a box. Undefined behaviors are like is like a box of chocolates. That's a weird metaphor. I mean, simile. Box of chocolates. And then, I don't know. You never know what you're going to get. Oh, okay, okay, okay. That makes sense in a way. Many cases that can resolve. Hmm. Good luck learning CPP, dude. Seems like hell. Um, Not gonna lie, CPP is kind of fun. Really, like, I mean, it's really like explicit about what you should be doing. For example, this variable is uninitialized, no? So you will see the error in the compiler. So most of the time, the compiler would be your best friend, essentially. So I don't think C++ is that hard either. Like, I mean, I have done Luo programming for like 6 years. So I guess it's much more easier for me to like get in. Even I did Java before, but very basic stuff. So yeah, Java is very much similar to how C++ is. So yeah. Oh wait, I have to charge my other device quickly. Oh, by the way, how's the music volume so far? Can you hear my voice clearly? Okay. Hmm. Take care to avoid all situations that. Yeah, uninitialized variables are the biggest issue here. So I must avoid this. Yeah. Okay. Mm, it's generally recommended to like initialize the variable. Yeah. Hmm. Author's note, but I did anyway, and my program works. That's very that's very true. Like something can just may work, but you have to understand the mechanism of why it works. Or else at some edge cases it's gonna stop working. Answer that your program is actually exhibiting undefined behavior. Yeah, basically. But wanted any for now, tomorrow, or on another compiler or machine, it might not. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, so I have to make sure I don't get into that undefined behavior. So, alternatively, sometimes compiler authors take liberties with the language requirements. Uh, one games. Okay, I'll just pen this comment. Yeah. So if you want me to play a game, I can play right now. Maybe because C++ might look ridiculous for you all. So yeah, I guess if you have any games, just let me know in the chat. Uh, X, you must do X before Y, but wait, I don't understand. Hmm. Oh yeah. Hmm. Treat as arrows. Okay, settings, properties, it's permissive. Okay. Hmm. Oh yeah, it is permissive. Hmm. Okay. Unspecified behavior. Called an implementation. So, so that the compiler can choose it. Okay. Implementation defined behaviors basically. Okay, how much that is gonna take, honestly? Size of And 4. So that's 4 bytes. It may produce 2. Oh. So in mine, it is just showing 4 bytes. Okay. Yeah, some editors have different compiler settings. Okay, that makes sense. Size of in 4.3. Yeah, I can see why it's fourth one. Unspecified behavior is almost identical to, but the implementation is not required to document. Okay, or even on the same compiler, there will be change project settings that affect how the implementation behaves. Whenever I need to understand them much more clearly. Wait, huh? Uh, but the implementation is not required to document the behavior. Um, what an uninitialized variable? Why you should avoid using it? So it's basically it's an variable that is unknown. Okay, why you should avoid using them because it basically adds, I think, unused memory, like it increases like memory load and stuff. I think maybe has no. Okay, yep. Using the value stored in will result in undefined behavior, not well defined by the language. How long am I streaming? Almost an hour. Okay. Okay. Keywords and naming identifiers. Huh. Interesting. Oh yeah, there's a big list for this. Right. Yes, I'm gonna play some games, I guess. On Roblox. I hope I hope my OBS Streamlabs won't like have like betrayed problems. What game should I play honestly? I don't really know. I haven't played these games for a while. I guess I'll play Block Strike for now. I guess. I wish I had someone to play with though. It would be much more fun. Yeah. Wait, TTK? No way. Wait, no way. Oh, this is, I think, it's Pop Tart Noise game. No way, it's released? Damn, it's 100 FPS? No way. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Where's this? I like four people. It's an tactical Nelson game. Okay. Signal. Mm, mm, mm. It's like a body cam game. Okay. Interesting. It has meaning. That's pretty much expected. Ah! Nah, come on. Agent activated. What? I don't know about that. Come on, why from beyond? Why from behind? Come in front of me, you chance. I'm gonna flank. Jump scare. Hey, where are you going? No, I have secondary. Switching to your sidearm is much better. See, faster than reloading. Hey, come on, eat this. Mm. Oh fuck! It feels so nauseating. Phew, I'm dead. Oh no! Oh, never. Mind. Ooh, I like the lighting here. It's kind of good. The fact that it's future lighting, that's good. Like, uh, um, yeah, only me and this user. Come on. There's a guy. There's no what? There's no jumping inside. What? That doesn't make sense, honestly. Yeah. Oh. Ooh. Wow. That's interesting. Ooh. I'm gonna go in this anime. You idiot. Brain damage. Hey, why you hitting me? Come here. Easy, easy. You- Okay. Mm, I know. You idiot. Honestly, you kids should kill yourself. Bro, I'm too better at this game. What? I died? Oh, I see why. Wait, are there different weapons? Oh! What? No way. No way. No way. I got a different scope. No way. You got dumb. Easy. Easy, son. Okay. Okay.
Contact!
Oh shit. Ooh. Ooh. Thanks. I wait. Oh, wait. This game is fun. Oh, I like this better. Ooh, okay, that's a hit marker. Oh, I see. I see that. Okay. Um, hmm, I guess I'm gonna change the title of the stream. I guess I'm just gonna be playing games with viewers. Playing games with Viewers. Okay. Save. And uh, idiot. Hey! No way. Can I change to a different weapon? I don't want this. Bro. Oh, fuck. Scared the down. Only like 3 players. It's kind of fun. No way popped out to release this. Boom. One tap. It's actually two tap. Damn! Oh, this map is smooth. Oh, this is Ars VR. Oh, this is Ars VR map. Easy. Trash. Bro, I love this game already. So good. So good. We want these games, man. We want these games on the platform. Boom. Wait, I have, I think, a game category. Wait, it doesn't work? Wait, I'm gonna try it. Wait, I need to remove this. Hmm. I think it's adding source. Okay, game capture, add source, uh, Roblox, add source. Yep, I think it's. Is this working? I hope. Is it looking for capture? Wait, I'm gonna reopen Roblox to see if this is gonna work. Uh, uh, okay, game. Okay, I'm gonna join TTT again. Sable. That's interesting. Pop Tart noise. Yeah. I hope they're gonna release Ars VR too. That's gonna be really interesting. Uh, should I go Twitch instead of doing YouTube for streaming and stuff? Is the game capture working? No, come on. Hmm. Why are you killing me? Why are you bullying? Hey, wait, I'm gonna beat you up right now. I'm gonna beat you up right now. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. Yeah, so I think that's right. need a reason. What? Okay. I love this game. I genuinely love it. Wow. I genuinely. Come on, you can't beat me. Why the visibility is so bad? Okay, I think the game needs to improve the visibility. The fact that this is Roblox, this is crazy. And this is 144. No way, like, this is so optimized. He knows better than what? Popped out. I mean, they have a crazy amount of experience of how they just do things. It feels like Popped Out knows like knows at an engine level in fact. I think I'm gonna say it clearly because bro literally made I think DDoS and Roblox and stuff. I think it's caused some. Yeah. I love this game already. What's a max service in this game? 6. No way, I said 6, 7 for the first time in my channel. Crazy. Come on. Okay. No, can I inspect? Come on, let me press. Stop bullying. Easy. Okay, okay, I'm missing. Yo, what? Oh, this is dark. Oh, this is horror game. Yep. Bravo 6 going dark. I love this already. Like, game design wise, he kind of nailed it. Whew. I just love this game at this point. I'm like totally in love. Like totally in love. Hey! No. I guess I'm gonna end the stream.